Welcome. Tonight, you have permission to rest. There is nowhere you need to go, nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to remember. For the next little while, this time belongs only to you. Take a slow breath in and gently let it go. Allow your shoulders to soften. Let your jaw relax. Let the space behind your eyes grow quiet. Imagine yourself arriving at a small wooden cabin, tucked away beside a calm, silent lake. It is night now. The world has slowed. The sky is dark and clear, and the moon rests gently above the trees. Inside the cabin, a fire burns quietly in the hearth. Its light is warm and steady, casting soft shadows along the wooden walls. You step inside, and the door closes behind you with a gentle sound. The air is warm. It smells faintly of cedar and pine, and something familiar, something comforting. A thick blanket rests nearby, folded and waiting. You lift it and feel its weight settle comfortably around your shoulders. The fire crackles softly. Each small sound is slow and reassuring. There are no sudden noises here. Only steady warmth. Only calm. You move toward a wooden chair placed near the fire and sit down slowly. The chair supports you completely. You do not need to hold yourself up. You can let your body be heavy. Take another slow breath in and let it go, even more slowly than before. Outside, through the window, the lake lies still and dark. The moon's reflection rests on the water, unbroken, unhurried. The trees surrounding the cabin stand tall and quiet, their branches barely moving in the night air. Everything around you feels settled, safe, unchanged. As you sit by the fire, your thoughts begin to slow. If something from the day tries to return, you don't need to push it away. Simply notice it and let it drift past, like a cloud crossing the moon. There's no effort required, no attention demanded, only the fire, only the quiet, only this moment. Your breathing becomes steady, in and out. Each breath carries you deeper into comfort. Each breath allows your body to soften a little more. In a few moments, we will step outside together and walk slowly toward the lake. But for now, stay here. Let the fire warm you. Let the night hold you. Let your mind grow still. You are exactly where you need to be. And when you are ready, the story will continue. You lift the blanket gently and stand up slowly. Your feet meet the wooden floor, warm and solid beneath you. You move toward the door and open it quietly. The night air greets you, cool and clean against your skin. Outside, the forest rests in deep stillness. Tall pine trees rise around the cabin, their silhouettes soft against the night sky. A narrow path leads away from the porch, lined with fallen pine needles that cushion each step you take. As you begin to walk, you notice how unhurried everything feels. Each step is slow, each movement easy. The moonlight spills gently across the path, showing you the way without effort. Somewhere in the distance, an owl calls once, and then the night becomes quiet again. Your breathing matches your pace, in and out. The air smells fresh, with hints of earth and pine. As you continue along the path, your thoughts begin to fade. There is nothing pulling at you, nothing waiting for an answer, only the sound of your steps, only the calm of the night. Soon the trees begin to thin, and ahead of you, the lake comes into view. Its surface is dark and still, reflecting the moon like polished glass. You step onto a small wooden dock, the boards cool beneath your feet. You move to the edge and sit down slowly, letting your legs dangle above the water. The lake breathes softly beneath you. Small ripples move across the surface, slow and steady. You sit quietly, watching the reflections shift and settle. Everything feels balanced. Everything feels calm. You take one long, gentle breath and let it go. On the dock, just beside you, rests a small paper lantern. It is simple and light, with a soft candle glowing quietly inside. The flame does not flicker wildly. It is steady, calm. You pick up the lantern carefully, feeling its gentle warmth in your hands. There is no rush, no hurry. Tied to the handle is a small folded note. You open it slowly. The note reads, "Carry nothing heavy tonight." You take a slow breath in and out. Think of one small thing you no longer need to hold on to right now. It doesn't have to be important, just something that feels a little heavy. You acknowledge it gently, without judgment, without trying to fix it. When you're ready, imagine placing that thought inside the soft glow of the lantern. You lower the lantern to the surface of the water and let it go. The lantern begins to drift away, floating slowly across the lake. Its light reflects on the water, stretching and softening with each small ripple. You watch it move farther and farther, until it becomes a tiny point of warmth against the dark water. As the lantern drifts away, your chest feels lighter. Your breathing becomes deeper. You have given yourself permission to set something down. The lake accepts it without effort. The night holds it gently. You remain seated, listening to the quiet movement of the water. Everything feels slower now, softer. You take another calm breath and rest. You remain seated for a few quiet moments, watching the lake settle once more into stillness. The lantern is gone now, but the calm it carried stays with you. When you stand, your body feels lighter, slower. You turn back toward the cabin and walk the familiar path, your steps unhurried, your breath steady. The trees seem closer now, protective and calm, as if guiding you gently home. When you reach the cabin, the warm glow of the fire welcomes you back. You step inside and close the door softly behind you. The room is just as you left it. The fire burns low and steady, casting a soft amber light across the walls. You move toward the bed, simple and inviting, covered in clean, comfortable linen. As you lie down, the mattress supports you completely. You do not need to hold yourself up. You do not need to stay alert. The blanket settles over you, warm but light, like a quiet hand resting gently on your shoulder. Take a slow breath in and let it go. Your feet begin to relax, then your calves. Your knees soften, your hips sink into the bed, your lower back releases, your chest rises and falls slowly, your shoulders drop, your arms grow heavy, your neck loosens, your jaw unclenches, your tongue rests softly in your mouth. Your eyes feel heavy now. The fire crackles quietly in the background, steady and reassuring. Each sound is soft, predictable, safe. With every breath out, you sink deeper into rest. There is nothing you need to listen for, nothing you need to remember. If thoughts appear, let them drift past like reflections on the lake. You do not need to follow them. Your breathing becomes slow and natural, in and out. The night holds you. The cabin shelters you. Sleep arrives gently, without effort, without expectation. You are safe. You are warm. You are deeply at rest. Good night.